foremost, physical setup. Kasi even before ng training, as you very well know, hindi ganun ka improve. Kasi nag-share out ka para ma-improve din. Pero yung maintenance, yun. Okay, after ng seminar, so paano, nag-boost sila. Yung mga may alam na, nagagamit nila ngayon. Yung mga dating, let's say, hindi sila ganun computer based, nag-improve na. But I've seen students rin na napipick up din nila yung ginagawa nila. Recommend it kasi then yung curriculum din, which is another aspect ng in-offer ng services society. Yun. And feeling ko pati marketing-wise, maganda yung nagsasabi niya. IT system, nag-check namin yung mga bata, they were here ba or they're absent.
With their speakers sa site, they are good. Site service is excellent, and it's worth the bayad.